In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use monday.com for manufacturing. We're diving into the setup process, showing you step by step how to organize your workspace tailored specifically for manufacturing needs. Let's get started. First, we need to customize our environment. Begin by navigating to the workspace section where you will see the name of your current workspace. Hover over this area and click on the three dots you'll find just above the workspace name. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From here, you'll want to select the option to add a new workspace. Go ahead and click there. This step is crucial as it allows you to create a brand new space specifically for your manufacturing projects. In this new space, you will tailor tools and features suited to your team's unique processes. Once you've selected Add New Workspace, you'll want to give it a name that clearly identifies its purpose. For our purposes, type in manufacturing. It's important to choose something clear and recognizable so everyone knows exactly what this workspace is dedicated to. After typing in the name, look for the Add Workspace button. Click on that to finalize this step. Your new workspace is now ready and set up as a blank canvas for adding boards, projects, and any other necessary components. With the new workspace set, it's time to add the first project board that will guide your team's activities. To do this, locate the plus sign within your new manufacturing workspace. Clicking on this symbol will allow you to add a new item, and in this case, we're focusing on adding a well-structured project. Next, head over to the Template Center by clicking on its option in the following menu. Monday.com provides a wealth of preset templates perfect for various use cases, which can greatly reduce setup time and ensure you're starting with a professionally structured foundation. In the Template Center, we need to find the specific template that suits a single project setup. So, in the search bar, type in single project. This action should bring up relevant templates that you can easily apply to your workspace. Click on the single project template from the list of options that appear. This template will allow you to track all the critical elements of your manufacturing projects from start to finish. It's an excellent basic framework, giving your team a clear path and structure tailored to manage manufacturing tasks efficiently. Lastly, you will see an option to Use Template. Select this to import the template directly into your manufacturing workspace. And there you have it. Your manufacturing workspace on monday.com now has a dedicated project board using the single project template. It's ready to be configured further with the specific details and tasks your team will be handling. This setup will help streamline your project management process and ensure your manufacturing operations run more smoothly. Thanks for joining me today, and now you're fully equipped to take advantage of monday.com for your manufacturing needs.